I don't know what it is about this hair, but I'm like feeling myself today. I think it's something about a ponytail. Like every time I have a ponytail, which is rare. Like I rock my natural hair in a bun all the time, but I mean like a long ponytail, you can't tell me anything, okay? So I'm clearly feeling myself today. Let me live for just the time being. And let's get into this video. So I just showed y'all how I do this makeup look. Now we are going to talk all about this hair because this hair is cute, okay? This is one of the best full lace wigs that I have ever received, and I've had a bunch of full lace wigs. So that's saying a lot. This wig is from Premium Lace Wig. This full lace wig is 24 inches. It's the natural color and it has 180% density. So it has a very, very nice density to it. It's not a thin wig at all. It's also not too dense. So it's like just perfect in the middle. You know how you can get some wigs that are like super thin, that are just like really bulky? This is like the perfect density, 180%. I normally go for anywhere between 130 to 180%. I normally don't go more than that. So I applied my wig using the Got2b glue method. I have several videos on how I apply my wigs using that method, so I skipped that today and I just went ahead and used a little bit of mousse and I defined the baby hairs. But in my last video you can see what it looks like without baby hairs. It still looks good, but to me it looks a lot more natural with the baby hairs. I'm going to go ahead and take this hair out of the ponytail because it was literally just sitting in the ponytail. Like, this hair is freaking gorgeous. Y'all see this? I'm going to go ahead and part it so you can see like this parting space. Look at this. Like, this hair is beautiful. The curl pattern is really pretty, and the actual construction of the wig is gorgeous as well. You can part this wig anywhere. I went in and I bleached my knots already. Like, look at that, y'all. Look at that parting. Like, anywhere. So yeah, like I said, I went in and I did bleach my knots. That's one step that I recommend doing when you receive this wig is bleach your knots. The hairline already came plucked, but I did go in and pluck it a little bit more, but it already had a pretty natural hairline. I also went in and added baby hairs, but honestly, it wasn't that hard to customize this wig because it already looked really great straight out of the box. So I have washed this hair once, and that was right after I bleached the knots. I didn't add any product to the hair. This is just the natural curl pattern. As you can see, it does have a very nice density to it. And as far as length, it stops a little bit past like my boob area. Yeah, you can part this baby anywhere. You can rock this wig down. You can rock it in a ponytail how I was before. You do not have to use glue or tape with this wig, but to me, whenever I'm going to rock my hair pulled all the way back, I do like to use either the Got2b glue method or tape, just so I can make sure my wig is nice and secure, because y'all already know when I used to go to the club, my clubbing days, I got one of my wigs snatched off at the club, and we don't have time for that, okay? So yeah, this hair looks really, really pretty in a ponytail. So I'm going to put it back in the ponytail. So I don't have it here down in the back. All I did was go in and put the comb in the back, and I'm going to pull some of these baby hairs down in the back. So I'm going to do a 360 so you can see what the back looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like. Let's cross our fingers that it looks okay. Okay? So far what I'm seeing on my monitor, it looks pretty good. Oh, no. So I gotta go in and fix the kitchen back there because it's not doing so hot. But other than that, I thought it looked pretty good in the back. Y'all can let me know what you think about this wig in the comments down below. Definitely check out Premium Lace Wig. I will have a direct link to their website down below, and I will also have any coupon codes if they're available. Thank y'all so much for your continued love and support, and I will catch you all in my next one. Bye. Before you leave, if you have not watched the makeup tutorial on this look, definitely be sure to click the video right here to go check it out.